Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Life Lapse app in your phone quickly and uh, fastly. So let's get started. So here we will just open our Google search bar or Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, you must use your Apple Store. Just go here and search for the app. Okay. So here we can see it, Life Lapse app. Just click on here. Okay, click on here and then click on here at install, and it will automatically download and install the app. And this is how you can just do it. And if you scroll down, you can see the reviews and you can put the review into it. If you want to contact app support, you can just contact it from here, and you can see the address by here also. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.